Hello, good people. How are you doing? I am coming to you today with this nice, neat, on glitter gold look like, ow. All right, so I'm just joking. So the lip that I have on right now is called Viviana, and it's by my best friend Cosmetic Line because I just love all her matte lip stuff. But this one right here is one of her glosses or whatever like that. And this one is called Viviana, and it's like a orangey kind of color, pink orangey kind of color, and I absolutely love it, and it actually went well with this look and this hair that I am wearing. So I just want to feel like a neon girl for some reason for today. I don't know why I always convert back to greens and blues and pinks and purples, but I love green. I love green. It's not my favorite color, but I love green. I just love the way how it would look up against my chocolate skin. Okay, all right, so the wig that I'm wearing today is called, I think she's called Kelsey. Now watch, I'm about to mess it all up because it's her name, Kelsey. Yup, her name is Kelsey. So this is her. I reviewed this wig before on another video. I try to link it down in the description below. But I purchased her from HairToBeauty.com, and this is her care card. And this color that I got on right now is T1B/matte gray. And her name is Kelsey. She's a natural center part. As you can see here, I didn't do anything. I didn't put nothing in it. I mean, on the part to make it more, you know, vibrant. I just threw it on. I wore her before. I debuted her before on one of my other videos. So you guys know how this wig holds up or whatever. It is a synthetic wig. It's very nice. It's very short, and it's perfect for the summer, for vacation, just to be sexy, just to be sexy, just to be sexy. All right, so you guys stay tuned on my video, and I hope you guys enjoy it, and comment, like, and subscribe, and share with somebody. Don't be just keeping me all to yourself. Share me, share me, share me, share me.